Sounds good. Understanding a common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase, sounds good. This phrase is used frequently in everyday conversations. But what does it really mean and how can you use it correctly? Let's find out together. Sounds good is a phrase used to express agreement or approval. When someone suggests an idea or a plan, and you respond with, sounds good, you're essentially saying that you think the idea or plan is a good one. It's a casual, friendly way to show that you're on board with what's being proposed. While sounds good is very popular, there are other phrases that carry a similar meaning. For example, sounds like a plan, that works for me, I'm okay with that. These phrases are also used to show agreement and can be used interchangeably with sounds good in most casual conversations. Context is key when using sounds good. It's a versatile phrase, suitable for many situations, but let's look at a few specific examples. In a casual setting, when a friend suggests a time to meet, saying, sounds good, indicates you agree with the proposed time. In a work environment, if a colleague proposes a deadline or a meeting agenda, responding with, sounds good, shows you're in agreement with their suggestion. In written communication, this phrase is also common in emails and messages as a quick way to show approval. The tone in which sounds good is said can slightly alter its meaning. If said enthusiastically, it shows strong approval. If said in a more neutral tone, it can indicate general agreement without much excitement. Sounds good is a simple, yet powerful phrase in the English language, useful in many different scenarios. It's a great tool for expressing agreement and approval in a friendly and casual manner. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding how and when to use sounds good. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more English language tips in our upcoming videos.